You know when you wear lipstick, sip your coffee and half of it's gone? Not today. Today we are going to swatch 5 transfer-proof lipsticks. They are budget-friendly as well, just under 500 rupees. Hi everyone, welcome back to Doricath Glow. If you're new here, I do honest makeup and skincare reviews and simple beauty routines that actually work in real life. So if that's your vibe, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon because I have a lot more budget beauty coming up. These are the 5 lipsticks that we're going to swatch. Before we start swatching, a tip: whenever you apply transfer-proof lipsticks or matte lipsticks, they tend to make your lips dry at least 2 to 3 minutes prior. Apply Vaseline or a lip balm. After 2 minutes, don't directly apply the lipstick on the lip balm. Take a tissue, just dab it so that the lip balm does not stay on your lips and it does not impact the way the matte lipstick performs. So without further ado, let's go ahead into the video. So let's start with the Mars Cinemagic Transfer Proof Lip Gloss. I am swatching the shade Mastani. It's an orange shade. It's kind of peach to coral, but it has more of an orange undertone to it. It would suit all Indian skin tones, and if you notice, the lipstick is really beautiful. The color is nice and vibrant. If you are into vibrant colors, you would surely like this color. It retails at 399 rupees, but you can always get it at a discount. A little transfer proof test here. It literally does not transfer, and when I try to see if it smudges, no, it does not smudge as well. So let's try taking it out with the micellar water.
Make a move. Nothing good comes for free.
Nope, it's too difficult. So we'll have to use a cream based or an oil based cleanser. I'm using the plum cleanser here, and that way it should take care of this lipstick. It will come off very easily. There should not be a problem. So let's swatch the next lipstick. It's the Mars Lip Crayon in the shade I Am Strong. This is a maroon shade and it glides beautifully on your lips. It will suit all Indian skin tones and it retails at only 259 rupees. Let's do a transfer proof test here. That's nice, not much, and also it does not smudge. That's good. We would be swatching the Swiss Beauty non-transfer lipstick next in the shade Lust On. This retails at 399 rupees. I got it for 339 rupees. It has a smooth, creamy formula. It does not make your lips feel dry. It's a beautiful baby pink shade and it would suit fair to medium skin tones. It wins in the transfer proof test and it also does not smudge. So that's great. The next shade that we would be swatching would be from Inside Cosmetics, the No Smudge Lip Color in the shade Rio de Janeiro. This lipstick is so pigmented and it feels velvety on your lips. And the best part is it retails at just 285 rupees. I have got this for just 274 rupees. And it passes the smudge proof and transfer proof test as well. It's suitable for all skin tones. The next shade is also of Inside Cosmetics. It's the non-transfer lip color and it's in the shade Glam. It's a nice dark red shade and it retails at just 120 rupees. I got this for 118 rupees. It instantly brightens up your face. It did transfer a bit, but I guess it should be fine once it dries up. It did pass the smudge proof test. Here's my honest verdict. These two are the clear winners. The Mars Cinemagic Lip Gloss and the Inside No Smudge Lip Color. These can last really long. The Mars Cinemagic Lip Gloss being a lip gloss, it's super pigmented. Both of them are super comfortable, no flaking at all, and they really stick to your lips. So please remember, whenever you want to remove any matte lipstick, including these, use a cream-based makeup remover or an oil-based makeup remover. If you like these swatches, you will love next week's video as well. In that, I'm testing lipstick lip liner and lip gloss lip liner combos. So make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss it. Also, if you want to know how you can do a full makeup with just 3 products, watch this video next.